miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The highest wind gusts will occur late tonight and subside below warning levels shortly following sunrise. A wind advisory may be needed for the morning into the early afternoon following the warning. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Here is a wind advisory.